you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a product review to show you by Renude. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this just arrived at my P.O. box. I'm not quite sure what this is all about, so I had to do a little bit of research, and I'm actually really excited to do this review for you guys because it seems extremely intriguing. And yeah, so this was sent to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your product to test out to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Normally companies, when they actually send me an email and they ask if I would review their product, I give them my address, they give me more information. When it just arrives at my P.O. box, I feel blindsided because I don't know what anything is or what it's doing here or whatever. So I'm like, what is a Chagaccino? What is a Chagaccino, and why is there mushrooms and stuff on this box? So I did a little bit of research, and I'm actually, like I said, I'm a little bit excited now. I will link them all down below if you would like to go and check them out. But yeah, that's what this is. It's a Chagaccino. Have you ever heard of that? I haven't until now. So one thing I do want to point out, it came in this little box, which is super cute. And yeah, it says Chagaccino, your coffee's BFF with benefits. Keto and vegan, super immune support, beauty brain booster, 0 sugars, powered by mushrooms and adaptogens. I'm like, mushrooms? That must be why there's a little sleeping mushroom on the box. And it says Renude, Delish AF. Live long, die pretty. And then when I opened it up, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is super cute. So there's a little bit of information, and then there's some goodies down in there. So basically when I went to their website, I see where you can purchase this product right here, but they do have a little gift box that is coming out. It says, I believe it says it's going to be available towards the middle of October, but you can pre-order it now. So if you would like to try this out, or you want to maybe send this to somebody as a gift idea, or purchase it to give to somebody as a gift idea. And I believe it comes with a little mixer, a glass cup that I do see in here with a straw and a pin. It just, I don't have the little hand mixer in here, but that comes in that kit, and it is currently on sale. So if you do want to check that out, that'd be a great way to kickstart checking this out, because then you will have this, you have the straw, you have the cup, you have that hand mixer, and you have a package of this as well. So that looks like a really good deal if you want to start out that way, or you can just purchase these as well from the website. But what they sent in this little kit looks super cute. Again, there is this pin, so that would come in that other set, live long and die pretty. That is super cute, and I like the colors, just like a peachish color. I just like the colors of it. Then there is a little card here, and it says, hi, we are super excited for you to try the Chagaccino at home. It's your coffee's new BFF with benefits. We included a how-to flyer, so it'll taste just as good as a barista making it at your favorite coffee shop. Much love, Team Renude. So thank you so much, Team Renude, for sending me this box to try out. I'm so grateful about that. So down inside there are, like, this looks like, oh yeah, a little a sticker. I do collect stickers, so that is so cute. Here is a sticker, and then here is a how-to, and it shows make a double shot of espresso, add a packet of Chagaccino, and stir well. Number 2, pour 1 cup of plant-based milk over a cup of ice, and then top it off with your Chagaccino plus the espresso mixture and stir again. Use your superpowers wisely. You can make it hot or cold, and I just think this is really neat, because basically what it sounds like is you're going to cut out creamer. So anything that's in your creamer, the calories, all of the stuff that's not good for you, plus some of them are all have like dairy in them, so it's hard for me to find dairy-free ones anyways. And you guys know I love my coffee, so I'm really excited to see how this tastes without using creamer. I just think that's a good thing, because if I can eliminate creamer, that probably will eliminate a lot of calories in my daily intake. So I'm super excited to test this out for you guys. And it says how to do a drip coffee as well on the other side. So this little how-to tells you at least 2 different ways, but you can see on their website how to make it hot or cold. It'll boost immunity, anti-aging and beautifying. It helps with memory and learning, energy and endurance, helps relieve stress, gut health, and an ancient elixir. It does a whole lot of benefits in there as well. And then there's a little coaster. So there's this little coaster. So here is like the rose gold straw. And again, if you do get that gift set, it'll come with this, and it'll come with this glass jar. This is so neat. It looks just like a soda can, but it's a glass jar. And I'm super excited. I'm going to definitely use this. I want to make an iced coffee like right now. And that is what is all inside of here. Yes. So that is such a cute little package that they sent. So I get to try out this little mushroom miracle over here. And I get this little cup to go with it and a coaster. So let me go ahead and open this up, and then I'm going to test it out, and then I'll be back to finalize and give you my honest opinion on how it is. I'm going to make my man drink it too. So though it won't just be my opinion. I love mushrooms, and I know there's a lot of good benefits from mushrooms, and it's so interesting to hear how the chaga, the mushroom, like it's so rare. I think on the video he was saying like 1 out of like 10,000 trees that it does grow on, it'll grow on. So it's like extremely like probably like rare and hard to get. So I'm really excited. No shady stuff, it says on the back end. And I like how you can just open this up, and this is what is down inside. So you just drop one of these down in with an espresso shot and add your favorite milk, and you can do it hot or you can do it cold, and that's all you're supposed to do. Like that's it. That's how easy it's supposed to be. And down in here, there's 0 calories. There's only 8 grams of carbohydrates. And that's it. There's no sugars, there's no calories. And I heard that it's supposed to taste like a cinnamon flavor because there's like cinnamon in here. So I'm really, really excited. You're supposed to have no nasty stuff, all of the good stuff with a lot of benefits and a great tasting flavor too. So I'm super excited. Super excited. Let me go ahead and cut this top off. So then I just pulled that off with the perforation, and then they have it where you just put this down, and then you can just set that right there on your counter. I think that's so cool. Or you can toss them in your drawer. You can do whatever. But I think it's cute how they come in this little box, and you can just have it set like that. And it's already ready for you. So let me go ahead and start testing this out, and then I'll be back to finalize. Okay, so this is the first time trying it hot. I really did enjoy it cold, so let's try it hot. You definitely get your coffee flavor, which I love. And it has like just like a slight, kind of like a cinnamony type flavor to it. But I definitely don't need creamer. It tastes good just the way that it is, so I'm really happy with that. Okay, so the espresso coffee that we really like is the Cafe Bustelo, and here at work I only have one little lonely one left. So what I have is a Starbucks toffee nut. I know it's not normal, but I want to try this with normal coffee instead of espresso in case you don't have espresso or you might be out of it at the time, just to let you know if it still tastes the same with like a regular coffee or a flavored coffee. So that's what I'm going to make now. Okay, so today is just like I said, the flavored coffee. I still did everything else the same. I still use the almond milk as they recommend. So let's see. I'm getting the toffee flavor because I did use the toffee flavored coffee. You can still get the nice rich coffee flavor. You have all the benefits and everything in there. It's just not as strong if you have the flavored coffee. I actually really like it. He likes it, so it's a win-win. All right, you guys, so now I am back to finalize my review about the Chagaccino by Renude. And I have an iced coffee with me to help me finalize. This is actually really, really good. I've tried it several different ways. I tried it with regular coffee, with espresso coffee. I tried it with almond milk like they prefer, but you can use any type of milk that you would like. I've tried it with lactose-free milk. So I'm glad that you can really use any type of milk that you would like for it. And yeah, so this is really, really good. My favorite way is ice. It's just the way I prefer it. My man prefers his to be hot, and he absolutely loves this stuff. So with this iced coffee, it tastes really good. It definitely enhances the coffee flavor 100%. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that in this video because that's exactly what it does. But it tastes really, really good, and you don't really need anything else. You can just drink it just like this, and it's really, really good. I just like it iced. Yeah, baby, I like it iced. You baby, I like it iced. It's just really, really good. So there's that. So they did generate my own code for you guys, which that code is Shecrafty, and that'll get you 15% off. After trying the original box that they sent, I actually did go and purchase 4 boxes of my own, because for this, it's mainly like you're boosting your coffee with nutrients to give you like a good immune system type of a thing. So it's not just like tasting your coffee to tell you, oh, if it tastes good or not. This is something that it actually helps you physically and mentally. So I definitely wanted to use it more. My man is absolutely loving this, so he definitely wanted me to buy more, especially to make his coffee. So to be completely honest, I make his coffee with this every single time. But me, I actually wish I could, but each one of these boxes are $29.99. So basically for conversation purposes, this is $30 and there's 10 of them in here. So that makes it, what, $3 each on top of the coffee that you're actually, using. So it's not that it's $3 a day for your coffee, because you still need the coffee. This is just an added boost to your coffee to give you good benefits. And so I feel like I don't want to spend that much money. So if he wants it in his, no problem. I've been making it in his every single day. He has not skipped a day with it. I have. I try to do mine like every other day, every so many days. I'll throw in this in my coffee instead of creamer, just because of that simple fact. If it was just me, myself, and I, it might be a little bit different, but there's 2 of us and we drink coffee both every single day. So it would just get really costly for us if we both did it. And so that's just me being completely honest. But as far as the flavoring goes and how we feel, I definitely do see that there is a difference. My man especially, because again, he's been doing it every single day for like probably a whole month now. So for him, he said he can tell he's not like fatigued, he's not tired, he wakes up feeling like he has energy. His whole little system is 100% good to go. Like everything just seems like it's doing its job. He loves the fact that it brings out the true rich flavor of the coffee, because he loves the taste of coffee. I like a little flavor in mine, but I do love coffee. I mean, obviously, I drink it every single day. But the good thing is, if you do not like that rich coffee flavor and you are one that likes to have a little coffee with your creamer, then you can still add creamer to it. If you want to add a little flavor to it, you can add a little honey. You can add flavor to it still. And that's what I'll do sometimes. If I make one, I'll put a little splash of creamer just to give it a little hint of another flavor to it, which just makes it really good to me. But I do not put any flavoring or anything in it. I just put in the frothed milk from our little whoop-de-whoop-de-whoop-de thing that frosts the milk, and the packet. And then another thing I do want to point out with the packet, because it's just like, like granules. But one thing that I noticed making this hot or iced, when you mix it in, every single thing mixes 100%. Like you do not have little particles floating around. Like even if I were to show you the bottom of my cup, the only little 1 or 2 particles under here is probably from my coffee. Because sometimes through my Keurig, when I pop the top, some coffee comes in it. It's just what happens sometimes. But other than that, there won't be any like actual granules. Everything dissolves 100%. And I really do like that, because there's other things that you do to add to like anything that you're drinking. And at the very end, you have like, you know, stuff still there that didn't mix in or dissolve 100%, but not with this. It dissolves 100% and it tastes extremely good, and you're getting a lot of good benefits. So what does it say again? It says it helps relieve stress. It'll support immunity. It's anti-aging and beautifying, elevates endurance, and benefits with congestive function. So that's why he was saying like, everything with like everything going on seems like it's just like a normal thing. Like everything is like on schedule. Everything just seems really good. And he can tell that his body is getting the nutrients and the benefits from the actual packets. So again, coming from someone who drinks it every single day, he definitely does see a difference. He's not fatigued. He's regular everywhere else. And he really, really loves the flavor. He loves the flavor. And at work, I went to make his coffee this morning and there's only 1 packet left. And I was like, okay, so we're going to have to see what's left at the house. And this is all that's left so that's 5 boxes total. And I only have now 5 packets left. So we definitely do love it. He loves it a whole lot more than me, but me, I think I just pull back just because of the cost-effective way. That's just my only thing. If it was a little bit cheaper, I would totally put it in my coffee every single day, because I love the fact that it intensifies the flavor and I don't need creamer. Creamer is where all of the calories and the sugars and all of that is. So I love the fact to cut out the creamer from my diet completely. But again, it's just, I'm trying to do it, you know, every other day or moderately because of the cost. So that's what I wanted to say about that. So if you want to get a little boost in your coffee, that'll do a lot of amazing good things health-wise, benefit-wise for your mind, body, and soul, then you can definitely go and check it out. And Shecrafty will get you that 15% off. I'm so glad that they ended up just sending it to me like randomly. That normally does not happen, but things do happen for a reason. So it was a good thing, like win-win, because now I know what I can be at least getting to add to his coffee and mine every now and then. That gives us really amazing benefits, and it tastes really, really good. Like I said, you could always add a little bit of sweetener, a little bit of honey, a little bit of creamer if you do want to get a different flavor to it, but it is perfectly fine just the way that it is. And I'm just so glad that I got to learn about it, figure it out, taste it, try it, get more, and have good benefits because of it as well. So that is what I have to say. Comment down below. Let me know, have you ever heard of this company? Have you ever heard of anything like this type of thing, adding to your coffee or to your diet to boost your immunity? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew. Out.